Builders, in partnership with Talisman Hire, have a wide variety of equipment and tools for hire. Whether you're a DIY person who wants to sand your wooden floors or a contractor needing equipment for a larger project, selected builders branches have the right tools for hire. Concrete floor scarifiers and grinders are used on rough concrete floors to either reduce and level surfaces, remove old coatings, and roughening of floors in preparation for a new surface finish. Available in either petrol or electric. Wooden floor sanders are used in the first step of the restoration process of old wooden flooring, or final preparation of a new wooden floor. These are belt-driven sanding machines that will return flooring to its original condition in no time. A finishing sander will give the floors their final smooth sand in preparation for staining or sealing. An edge sander will be ideal for wooden staircases, edging of floors against the wall, and confined spaces where you're not able to get a belt sander into. Floor polishers are ideal for applying cleaning products to a large surface area and ensure that the application is both evenly spread as well as saving time. They're also great for applying a polish to existing floors and treating floors with a wax or similar sealer. Ripper strippers are for removing tiles or hardwood floors on a large area and make quick work of a tedious task. Don't let the fact that you don't have the tools prevent you from doing the job. With peace of mind hiring and the option of delivery, your tools will be ready to be put to work in no time. Always remember to use the necessary safety gear required for your work application. These are just some of the solutions for flooring available from builders. Get to Builders, get it done.